The Southern African Institute of Steel Construction would like to extend its gratitude to Safintra South Africa, sponsor of the Steel Awards 2018 Factory and Warehouse category. Structural steel provides a cost-effective and time-efficient solution when used in the construction of factories and warehouses. All Steel Awards 2018 projects can be found on the Steel Awards app, the Steel Institute's website, and the Steel Construction Journal.
We encourage you to explore and draw inspiration from these projects, including Bosch Warehouse, Inoxa, Invicta and Woodlands Dairy. The finalists for the Safintra Factory and Warehouse category are:
the Ashgate development comprises 3 separate warehouse structures within the Umboguntwini industrial complex on a brownfield site. Warehouse A is designed to store the flammable bulk chemicals in the facility. The connection of the steelwork to the precast concrete elements required some unusual connections for the purlins, which are chemically anchored to the top of the wall.
The ShopRite Silmore Distribution Park includes more than 20 buildings, the largest of which are 3 warehouses serving as the core of the development. The biggest is the 76,000 square meters dry goods warehouse, followed by the 18,000 square meters refrigerated building and the 12,000 square meters return center.
All structural steel and cladding for city logistics was retrofitted to the existing and new steelwork from inside the warehouse. Due to the installation limitations and material handling, the sheets were delivered in 4-meter lengths. Cladding had to span across 78 meters in between sprinkler droppers, lights, electrical cable trays, and at times in between the existing lattice trusses.
The client's requirement for Coruscant Warehouse was a facility of 30,000 square meters and associated offices of 500 square meters on 2 levels. The factory or warehouse was to have a width of at least 150 meters and was to allow for future extensions.
The Gibela manufacturing facility is 50,000 square meters and designed for the manufacturing of 580 trains for PRASA. The structure accommodates overhead cranes ranging from 2-ton to 2x10-ton tandem cranes. The main frame of the Gibela manufacturing facility consists of both lattice and I-columns at 8-meter grid spacing.
18,800 square meters of warehouse area for Heineken Project Big was constructed to provide the client with additional storage capacity for finished products. The original concrete box gutters were also replaced with steel girders and gutters in order to reduce cost and increase the speed of construction.
The roof design loads on the Mercedes-Benz J-Site Logistics building is far in excess of the average industrial building loading. Savings on the steel tonnage was, however, made by breaking away from the norm in utilizing hot-rolled purlins, eliminating sag bars and truss, and designing girder connections that eliminate the need for gusset plates.
The Pepcore warehouse consists of 80,000 square meters of covered warehouse space, a total of 2,500 tons of structural steel with 17.35 meters clear height to the underside of the eaves.
Tradeport City Deep was designed with large internal column spacing, creating a versatile open storage area and dedicated racking layout with minimal loss of space due to column interference, with a 12-meter clear eave height.
Wilcox Road is a large-span logistics warehouse in Prospecton near the Durban port. The structural framing consists of castellated columns, lattice girders, angles, tubes, and 450 MPa purlin sections.